Welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, what's up, y'all? So today I'm going to show y'all how I put this scarf on. So I'm going to do like a little halo style. In the last video I uploaded, I had this scarf on and somebody asked how I did it. So, you know, I had to come and make a video for y'all and show y'all how I put this scarf on. I got this scarf from Amazon. I really do like it because it stretches so much. I feel like with scarves that have a stretch to them, they tend to stay on longer. I don't know if that's a thing or not, but for me, I have better experience with scarves that have a little stretch to them. I'm just gonna get right into the video. So the first thing you're gonna do is just throw the scarf over your head. You can bring it as far forward or as far back as you want. I want to show a little bit of my hair. I just like that better with my edges out. And then you're gonna bring the scarf forward. So when you bring the scarf forward, you're basically going to make sure that the scarf is even on both sides. If it's shorter on this side, longer on this side, it's going to come out, vice versa. Just make sure they're even on both sides. We're going to bring the two ends of the scarves to the back, and then we're going to crisscross them. Make sure that your scarf is in the position that you want it to be. And during this time, you're going to make sure all your locks or all your hair in general is tucked into the scarf. Now we're at the crisscross. This is what it should look like in the back. Now you're going to pull your scarf pretty tight and make sure that nothing is slipping or sliding back. And then you're going to take your right hand with the scarf and then you're going to twist all the way down to the end. And you can twist this as tight or as loose as you want it to be. I like to twist mine pretty tight. Now you're going to take the part that you twisted and just wrap it around your head. I like to put mine directly on top of where I pulled my scarf back at. So I'm just going to wrap it around. And then I'm going to find a place to tuck it in. Your scarf should be secured at this point. If your scarf is unraveling and stuff, you probably just need to do it again, or it might just be the fabric of your scarf. So now we're going to take your left hand with the left side of the scarf and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to twist it all the way down to the end. Twist it as tight as you want it. And then you can either go in front of the first halo or you can go behind. I'm going to go behind because I just like how that looks better. And then I'm going to tuck it in the back. And it really doesn't matter how you tuck it in. Just make sure that the end is tucked in all the way. I'm going to do a little quick shake for y'all just to show y'all that this does stay on. And it's still on. And that is how you do it. That's the finished look. I'm going to give y'all one more style that I like to do. It's pretty much further on my forehead because in the winter, I like my ears to be covered. It's just a little chilly sometimes. So I just put the scarf over my ears and I'm going to do the same steps. Crisscross in the back. Make sure your two sides are even. Take your right hand and twist all the way down. Until you can't no more. And then pull this side tight just to make sure it's tight on your head and bring it around and tuck it in. Now we're going to do the other side. I like wearing these head wraps in the winter because that winter breeze be hitting my scalp a little bit different, especially with these short locks. It's hard trying to keep your head warm and avoid lint at the same time. I did it above, but you can also do it under, and then I'm going to tuck it in the back. A quick shake for you. And we are secured. I actually like this style too. It would be so cute if these were like braided. I like this style too because you can also push it back. And it is cute this way also. Pull this up a little bit. So it gives you like a different look. Well, that's all I have for y'all for this video. Short, simple, and sweet. Straight to the point. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn the notification bell on if you want to see my face a little bit more. And I'll see you next time. Bye.